In this video, I'm going to show you how to move Epic games to another drive without having to re-download the entire game. This is a super useful trick if your C drive is running out of space and you want to move your games over to a bigger drive like D or E. It can save you a lot of time, a lot of bandwidth, and a lot of frustration. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming and software tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, you want to find your current Epic Games folder. In most cases, this will be on your C drive, inside a folder called Epic Games. Open File Explorer and go to that location. Once you find the game you want to move, copy the entire game folder. Make sure you copy the whole folder and not just random files inside it, because Epic needs the full structure to recognize the game properly later. After that, go to the new drive where you want the game stored. This could be your D drive, for example. Paste the game folder there, so you now have a full copy of the game on the new drive. At this point, you are not done yet, because Epic Games Launcher still thinks the game is installed in the old location. Now open the Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library and find the game you just copied. From here, you need to uninstall the game inside the launcher. Don't worry, this is part of the process, and it will help Epic recognize the new installation path. Once the uninstall is complete, click Install on the same game again. When Epic asks where you want to install it, choose the new drive, such as D drive. Start the installation and let it download for just a few seconds. You do not need to let it fully download. As soon as it begins, click Pause. This creates the new folder structure that Epic expects on the new drive. Next, go back to File Explorer and open the new game folder on the new drive. Inside that folder, delete the files that Epic just created during the short download. After that, paste in the copied game files from the original folder. This is the key part of the process, because you are replacing the temporary partial files with your full game files. Once the files are pasted, return to the Epic Games Launcher and click Resume. Epic will now detect the files in the folder and verify them instead of downloading the whole game again. Depending on the size of the game, this verification may take a little while, but it is much faster than a full installation. When the verification finishes, the game should be ready to launch from the new drive. You have now successfully moved Epic Games to another drive, without wasting time on a full re-download. This is one of the easiest ways to free up space on your main drive, while keeping all your installed games available. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.